let's try and make a different variation of a spiral structure that is, how can we tell it? It's inward. So it's spiraling inwards instead. So I'll call it Inspi, and we need a side length, we need an angle, and we need an increment. So, as per usual, I will add the variables side, angle, and ink. Right. As usual, it's actually sort of formally a quite simplistic. There are only a few lines involved, but mentally, as usual, this recursive, weird little setup is actually quite hard to grasp. So it really pays off to play around with it. Because the funny thing is, we seemingly do the same, almost the same every time, but there are some small nuances. So okay, I'll move forward with the side, and as usual, we need a turn, and that's going to be the angle. Right. So we recurse, use the function itself. Of course, we use side as we normally do. We use the increment but this time we're gonna meddle with the angle and see how it changes to sort of do something weird. So why not maybe try with a plus? We can maybe experiment on with it. So we say to the angle, you need to change every time with the increment that we're giving you. So let's see what the inwards, we'll start with 100 as usual, and then let's try give it angle 0 and say that the increment should be 7. Whoa, that's a bit big. So I might go the opposite way and try again and see. Oh, that was too little. Well, we need to find something in between. Yeah, maybe 10. It's actually really nice. I would like to see the lines, so I'm actually just trying a few things out here. Yes, and then I might reduce the pen size just to make it more clear what's going on, and I might reduce it even further to make it smaller. Yes. So you can see what it does is it sort of starts and goes into this kind of frenzy, and then whoa, it sort of goes back. When we, I don't know the internals about this, but it's actually a really nice little variation. So let's see what would happen if we try some other numbers. So if we change the angle to say 40 and we increment by 30 degrees, we should get a quite different result. Let's have a look. Whee! Nice. This kind of odd little circle, oops, too much. It's actually really nice. There's something a bit, you know, unpolished about it, which is actually quite sweet. Yeah. And let's see about this one. save this one too. I just need to place it a bit better. No, sorry, wrong way. The usual. But my machine really hates me right now because of the recursion. So it's a bit sluggish. And yep. I'm gonna do a variation of this. So let's duplicate the whole thing and make a third little variation. I'll stop it so it won't kill my machine. And let's make the increment way less. And I want the angle to be 2. Oh, that's also a cutie. And you can see they are a bit odd, but they're fun to play with, these, and I like their little sort of jiggly kind of nature. But there are loads of other variations, and again, I would recommend you to play around with the different angles and see what happens. Yeah.